Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to our amazing channel. Today we will discuss about what if companies delay the payment of MSME after 45 days. The lifeblood of a healthy economy lies in a thriving small and medium-sized enterprise, MSME sector. In India, MSMEs contribute significantly to the nation's GDP and employment generation. However, this crucial sector faces a constant challenge: delayed payments from large companies. This article delves into the legal framework established to protect MSMEs from such practices, analyzes the detrimental impact of late payments, and explores solutions to ensure timely payments for a more robust entrepreneurial ecosystem. The legal framework, championing timely payments for MSMEs. The Indian government has enacted strong legal provisions to safeguard MSMEs from the perils of delayed payments. Here's a breakdown of the key legislations. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act, 2006 MSME Act. This act mandates timely payments to MSMEs. It defines micro, small and medium enterprises based on their investment in plant and machinery or equipment. The act stipulates that buyers, typically large companies, must clear dues to MSMEs within 45 days of receiving the goods or services. The Companies Act, 2013. This act reinforces the MSME Act by imposing stricter regulations on large companies that delay payments to MSMEs. It mandates companies to file a report with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, if they delay payments to MSMEs beyond the stipulated 45 days. Disclose this information in their financial statements. These legal provisions empower MSMEs to claim interest on overdue payments. The interest rate is calculated at 3 times the bank rate, acting as a deterrent for late payments. Additionally, companies that disregard these regulations face penalties imposed by the MCA. The devastating impact of delayed payments on MSMEs. Despite the legal framework, delayed payments remain a persistent problem for MSMEs. Let's explore the far-reaching consequences of this issue. Cash flow strain. Delayed payments disrupt the cash flow cycle of MSMEs. This makes it difficult for them to meet operational expenses, pay salaries, and fulfill their own financial obligations. This cash crunch can cripple their growth potential and force them to resort to expensive short-term borrowings, further burdening their finances. Disrupted growth. Delayed payments hinder the ability of MSMEs to invest in expansion, innovation, and marketing initiatives. This stagnation can lead to a loss of market competitiveness and ultimately hinder their contribution to the national economy. Erosion of trust and business relationships. When payments are delayed, trust between MSMEs and large companies deteriorates. This can damage long-term business relationships and discourage MSMEs from entering into new contracts with larger companies, limiting their market reach. Job losses and economic stagnation. The financial distress caused by delayed payments can force MSMEs to lay off employees or even shut down their operations. This translates to job losses, reduced tax revenue for the government, and hinders the overall economic growth of the nation. Case studies. Real-world examples of delayed payments. To understand the gravity of the situation, consider these real-world examples. Case 1. A small auto parts manufacturer relies on timely payments from a major car manufacturer. However, the car manufacturer delays payments by several months, causing the auto parts manufacturer to struggle to pay its own suppliers and workers. This can lead to production stoppages and potential bankruptcy. Case 2. A construction company delays payments to a small building materials supplier. The supplier, unable to meet its financial commitments, is forced to halt deliveries, jeopardizing the construction project's timeline and budget. These cases highlight the domino effect of delayed payments, impacting not just the MSME, but also the entire supply chain and associated industries. Solutions for ensuring timely payments to MSMEs. To create a more supportive ecosystem for MSME growth, a multi-pronged approach is necessary. Stricter enforcement of existing laws. The government needs to ensure stricter enforcement of the MSME Act and the Companies Act. This includes levying harsher penalties for companies that disregard the stipulated payment terms. Faster dispute resolution mechanisms. Establishing efficient dispute resolution mechanisms, such as dedicated MSME courts, can expedite the process for MSMEs to claim overdue payments and interest. Promoting electronic payment systems. Encouraging the adoption of electronic payment systems can ensure faster and more transparent transactions. This can be achieved by offering incentives for both MSMEs and large companies to utilize digital payment platforms. Strengthening MSME associations. MSME associations can play a crucial role in educating their members about their rights regarding timely payments. Additionally, they can advocate for stronger legal frameworks and support MSMEs in navigating dispute resolution processes. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives. Large companies can integrate timely payments to MSMEs into their CSR initiatives. This not only strengthens their ethical standing, but also fosters a more